afternoon and welcome to Arizona Midday. I'm your host, Vanessa Ramirez. Today on the show, we are celebrating National Fried Rice Day with a recipe to try for dinner tonight. And we are talking with the local dressmaker who has been helping with quinceañeras for generations. All this and top trending news, from how to get your Starbucks quicker to this amazing video of a mother sloth reuniting with her little one. That's all coming up, but first, we are in the kitchen celebrating National Fried Rice Day, and if you want the secret to the perfect fried rice at home, we've got Chef Jesse Sosa and owner Mike Russello from Kasai Japanese Steakhouse here to give us all the tips today. Thank you guys for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having us.
Okay, so the first thing when we have fried rice, we have to start off with the base, right?
Yes.
All right, Chef, so tell us how that's done.
All right, so the most important thing is about the base. So what we're doing is that we're gonna go ahead and wash our rice out.
Okay.
And go ahead and rinse it out so to release that extra starch out. So we're gonna be using two types of rice. We blend it in. So we have the cow roast rice and the long grain rice.
Okay.
So then we're gonna go ahead and add a butter.
Butter.
Onto your pot of rice cooker.
Okay.
So we're throwing the rice on top. We're gonna go ahead and add a cup and a quarter of chicken broth.
Got it.
And a cup of beef broth.
Okay.
Inside there.
So then you let it all steam up.
Yeah, and let
Work
it do
its
its magic. Yeah.
Okay, and then after that, what do you do? Because you have it plated here.
Yeah, so after it's done cooking, you want to go ahead and lay it down so it can cool down.
Okay.
And that's what you want.
So you have to let it cool down, right? You can't just automatically use it right away for the fried rice.
No, you want it to cool down so it
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so after it's cool, let's say you're not going to use it for dinner tonight, but you want to use it for another day during the week. How long will the base last?
It could last up to 3 days.
Perfect. Okay, and then you just reheat it.
Yeah, and just reheat it on your wok or your pan.
Love it. Okay, so now it's been sitting for a little bit, and what are our next steps?
All right, so we're going to go ahead and start with
that there, and then you're gonna throw in all the ingredients.
Yes.
Go ahead.
All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do the egg.
Okay. Next.
And then
I'm in your way. There you go. You need this.
All right, so
you're gonna do the egg.
we're gonna go ahead and do the egg.
Okay.
Scramble it up in there.
Got that. And then what's next?
All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put our veggies in. So we're gonna go ahead and put some carrots in.
You gotta be healthy there.
Yes, snap peas.
Okay.
Some baby bok choy.
Mixing it all up.
Mix it up. All right.
Sorry, looking delicious. Okay, so while you continue doing that, Mike, tell us about Kasai.
Well, Kasai is a Japanese steakhouse. We have 14 teppanyaki tables where they cook in front of you. Soon to have 16. We're enclosing part of our patio, adding 2 more.
Oh, nice.
And we call it Dinnertainment. It's a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun, yeah.
And people love to go and have a party there. But one thing and why we wanted to focus on fried rice today is that our first course, when you sit down and have a meal, and our great chefs like Jesse, they do a fried rice. And people love it. I mean, our fried rice is so popular there that people eat it and they kind of get full on it and take the rest of the meal home.
Yeah.
And so that happens a lot.
It's such a great experience there. Like you said, a lot of fun. And so what types of fried rice do you guys make over there at Kasai?
Well, besides our teppanyaki, we do have regular tables, and we do offer fried rice on our regular menu. Now, technically, we have 3. We have a lobster, a steak, and a vegetable. But pretty much everybody puts any protein we have. Scallops, shrimp, tofu. So we'll make any kind of fried rice.
All right. I love the variety.
Right.
Okay, it looks like you're on to your next step.
Yes.
We've mixed that all up.
I mix that up. So we'll go ahead and switch.
This one?
Yes.
There you go.
Go ahead and grab that one.
Okay.
All right, so this is going to be our finished
This is
one.
TV magic.
All right.
That's how we do it all over here.
Okay. All right, so.
Okay, so real quick, what makes your guys' fried rice different from the rest?
It's different because we add our chicken base and beef base onto it, so it adds a lot more flavor.
You're bringing out the flavor.
Bringing
Got
out
it.
the flavor.
And
so.
the two
blends of
rice we
use. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so there it is. You mix in the rice with all the veggies and all the other ingredients, and voila, you're gonna add the last the protein, right?
Yes. And then,
which is this.
Right,
we got the shrimp and the steak. Want me to add it in?
Or we're actually gonna put it on.
Look, see, this is why you're the chef and I'm not. I'm getting a step ahead of you there. Okay.
All right.
So then we're gonna add this on here, right?
Yes. So we're gonna go ahead and add the shrimp on top.
I'm gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. Got this. Okay, so what other dishes do you guys serve there at Kasai?
Well, on our regular menu, we have these are our lamb chops. Yeah. Actually, that's my favorite meal at the whole restaurant, besides teppanyaki. If you're not sitting at teppanyaki, that's one of my favorite meals.
That looks
There's
good.
a completed teppanyaki meal, or filet and lobster, which is one of our best sellers. Then we have a tropical roll and a Another roll over there.
Okay. And you cannot forget about the drinks here. Oh my
Yeah,
gosh. You guys also serve drinks.
Yeah, and we're famous for our sake bombers.
Okay.
So there's a sake bomber at the end, and you see that a lot at the teppanyaki tables. People
actually hit it, right? And then it makes it go inside there?
Yes.
All right.
People will set it up like that, bang the table, and it'll all go in.
All right, well, perfect. This is the finished product here of your guys' fried rice. We have steak and shrimp on there. Delicious. And if people want the full recipe at home, where do they go?
nationalfriedrice.com.
All right. Thank you guys so much for joining us this afternoon and sharing your delicious recipe. And if you want to learn more information, head to KasaiScottsdale.com. Thank you.